And the first thing is to say, are you a friend or not? You are a friend.
Yay.
You are a friend. What does this mean? We have peers and clients and so on. And normally you can say this is a client. He is only allowed to send calls. A peer is receiving calls. Friend means both directions.
Okay.
So we are receiving and sending calls. That's a good setting for a telephone because you want
needs
to.
That, yeah.
You need that. You will need that. Then you need a context. In any case, otherwise you will use the default context. I will explain that later.
Yeah, that will come into our sort of call flow,
dial plan section.
Plans,
if you're talking about dial plans, we need that because a dial plan also has contexts. We will explain that later on, so just trust me, you will need it.
Okay.
Then you need to allow some codecs.